So yeah, I mean, and then after, you know. Who brings a lobster to see Iron Man 3?
What's going on, guys? It's Joe, back with Bandboozled, the show where we pairing up an album, talking about an album, pairing it up with a cocktail. Got Mike Mass today, picking out the album. Mike Mass is a prolific rapper, professional neck-breaking beat maker.
Thank you.
Out of all the albums you sent me, the one that I got most excited for immediately was Strange Arrangement by Mayer Hawthorne.
Masterpiece. So this album is an album that, like most people's favorite albums, got me through a tough time. Big breakup situation, a strange arrangement. In sequence, the exact emotions that you go through when you break up with somebody.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You start to miss them, and then you're in a dark place, and then you're like, you know what? I'm okay, you know? And then you get into your vices, which then he goes into the green-eyed love and all of that.
Yeah.
You know? And then by the end, you know you're going to be okay, but you know that a piece of you is still going to be messed up. I just love everything about it, and the fact that he was just a DJ before putting this project together. He was just a DJ in Detroit.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, he was just a DJ in Detroit and did it like almost as a joke, like some doo-wop stuff, and it caught on so well that he actually got signed to Stone Store Records, and then, you know, the rest is history.
And this album is a great homage to soul classics and that sound. And even though me personally, it's not my favorite Mayer Hawthorne album, because I very much like him in his other projects, which you said you haven't really listened to at all. But
I don't want to.
He gets very, he gets genre blendy, which is cool, and I like it. But overall for this album, it's very smooth, and like I was telling you before we started filming, this is something that if we were pulling that out of a bin at Microgroove or whatever it might have been, and then it was like a 1970s record, we'd be flipping it immediately.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're not currently drinking right now. One of my favorite things to do is to make mocktails.
Nice.
If I were to break down kind of a formula to make a generic mocktail, my mindset would go to the basic breakdown of a cocktail is going to be like 2 ounces of your base, 1 ounce of your syrup, your sweet, and 1 ounce of citrus. So we're going to kind of play with that formula a little bit, and we're going to make like a hibiscus pineapple lemonade. We're going to try it out, see how it works out.
Okay.
Reason why I'm picking hibiscus is because hibiscus is a smoother style of
hibiscus is it hints flavor.
Yeah.
As opposed to being like overbearing or being like the main flavor. Hibiscus gives you a sweetness, it gives you a little bit of a fruitiness without giving you the whole thing like watercolor or something.
Yeah.
Like that. And I like that about hibiscus, and I think that matches well with Mayer, because what Mayer Hawthorne does is so subtle, but it's so powerful at the same time.
100%.
So I think it correlates very well.
See, this is why you put wordsmiths on your fucking shows, because they say things that you can't say sometimes. People like Mike come into the studio and they write verses day of, and I write verses 2 weeks later, and people are asking, where's my feature? Let's grab this tin. 1.5 ounce of pineapple. So go ahead and grab that right there.
Let's do that. 1.5, it's right there?
Yeah, right there. On the right side is gonna be your ounces.
Damn, y'all gotta do this every time?
Don't be afraid of it, just like get right up in there.
Bam, 1.5. I don't know how to do this, guys. I'm learning right now.
That's the point. It's fun.
His is gonna be better than mine.
We don't know that. 1 ounce of the hibiscus syrup there.
That's the hibiscus.
Yeah.
Right, that's
so
beautiful.
1 ounce is gonna be.
One is right there halfway down. Right?
Yeah. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice.
All right, a 1/2 ounce.
Plop it right up in your tin.
Lemon juice.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
That's dope.
Thank you.
I wanna remember Sammy Jenkins actually.
You know what?
Have you ever seen the movie Memento?
I'm terrible with movies. I don't think we've ever gotten this conversation about how bad I am about watching movies. So every time people are like, "You've seen this?" I'm like, "No."
The guy who did Tenet did that movie. Did you see Tenet yet?
No.
Bro, everybody watched Tenet.
Right after I said I'm shit at movies, you did the same exact thing that I was talking about. You're like, "Did you watch this?" Nope. We're gonna grab a little bit of ice out of the small tins here. I'm gonna say like literally a little bit, because one of the things that's fun about anytime you toss pineapple into a cocktail, it's gonna give it that froth.
Right.
So when you shake it up, it's gonna get super, super foamy, and it's gonna look really pretty in the cocktail.
Right.
What some people do is they'll give a dry shake, and that's why people dry shake it so that it'll froth up a little bit more.
Yeah.
But if you're in a hurry and a quick trick, and I'm also fucking lazy, put in like 4 ice cubes in that shit and shake the fuck out of it, and you get the same result.
Yep.
It's like it's the same thing. So
Learning.
Grab your tin.
All right. Show me the proper method of shaking.
I mean, shake
Pause.
whatever feel.
Give me the I'm slammed. I need to make this fast.
Oh, just the.
Yeah. I don't got the motion like you, bro.
I'm gonna just dirty pour this. So
Let's go.
That's what I like to do with mocktails.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
We're gonna finish it off with a little bit more ice. You know, I gotta throw that though.
That's gonna be loud.
Those right next to the mic.
Right next to the mic, bro.
And then what I'm gonna do is top it off with a little bit of club soda.
Oh, perfect. Cheers. Oh, wow.
That's refreshing.
Wow.
I put a little bit too much club in there, but nice.
No, you didn't, sir. You put the exact amount of club in there.
This is a nice hanging outside,
Yeah,
deep listening cocktail.
But just like the album. Crafted well, but not in a pretentious way, just in a this is delicious kind of way.
I mean,
So
that's what I try and do. Mike Masters and shit. Check him out. Just put out a music video for Blood on the Water. A powerful track, great video, well put together from the ground up. You put out a behind the scenes with that too, right?
yes, there's a behind the scenes doc. It's called Behind the Blood. All of the videos are available on the YouTube channel Deep Sea Records. That's Deep Sea SEE Records. Shout out to JT Brown, Tony Casoria, and the Happy Hour Medicinals gang also. They just sponsored our trips to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and to LA. We raised awareness for the Last Prisoner Project charity, which is based around getting people out of jail and reducing charges for people in jail for marijuana charges. And we always want to do the music, but we also want to support causes and charities and things that are, helping people in rougher situations than we may be in.
100%.
We'll be in New York for our next trip. That's going to be in late January. Psych Montana shooting a video with Ren Thomas out there.
Okay.
And then we're going to be doing another show at Black Wall Street Gallery, New York. Shout out to Dr. Rico Wright. Look him up as well on YouTube. Black art gallery owner, now has 2 locations, one in Tulsa and one in New York.
Check out Mike Mass on everything. Check out Wave Theory on everything. And outside of that, cheers to you guys. Cheers to you, Mike. Thank you for coming on.
Of course.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Stay inspired.
Peace.